Hello everyone. Welcome you all to the next session on place value of class 5 mathematics. Before going to the session, let us have a quick recap of what you learnt in the last class. Place value and face value. What is a place value? A place value is the value of the digit based on its position. What is a face value? Face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. Okay, next is what is a predecessor? Predecessor is nothing but the number obtained by subtracting 1 from the given number. What is a successor? Successor is the number obtained by adding 1 to the given number. Are you all aware of it? You have any doubts? Okay, next we will go on to the building numbers. How do you build numbers? When you are given 5 or 6 digits, you should form the smallest and the greatest number by arranging the digits in the ascending or descending order. When you arrange in ascending order, if you have 0 as the first number, then you should write the second smallest number first. Why? Because if 0 is written first, it has no value. One important thing you should do is, after forming the greatest and the smallest number, you should insert the commas according to the periods in the place value chart. Okay, next we will go on to the place value chart in Indian system. So this system helps us to read large numbers. Okay, so now you tell me what are the places you know in the place value chart. Okay, tell me ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. You wanted me to repeat again? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, these are the places in the place value chart. Okay, next we will see which are the periods in the place value chart. Here ones, tens, hundreds together form the ones period. Thousands and 10,000 forms the thousands period. Lakhs and 10 lakhs form the lakhs period. Crore and 10 crore form the crore period. Let us see an example now. Take the number 5, 8, 9, 6, 3, 4, 8, 9. How many digits does the number have? It is an 8-digit number. I wanted you to write the standard form for this number. What is the standard form? Standard form means it is nothing. You should just insert the commas and write the number. How do you insert the commas? According to the place value chart, you have periods, right? So after each period, you have to insert the commas. How do you read this number? The best way to read this number is that you should write the places on top of each digit. So on top, that is on top of 9 you will write ones, on top of 8 you will write tens, on top of 4 you will write hundreds, on top of 3 you will write thousands, on top of 6 you will write 10,000, on top of 9 you will write lakh, on top of 8 you will write 10 lakh, on top of 5 you will write crore. So then it will be easy for you to read this number. So now you will read it together. 5 crore, 89 lakh, 63,489. So according to each period, you will read the number. Okay children, I hope you are thorough with the previous class session. The next topic we are going to see is comparing numbers. Compare means what, children? Compare means it is to examine the difference between the numbers or quantities or values, etc. So I will give you a real life example. Example for comparison is what? Where do you see in a real life situation? Where do we see comparisons? that is the temperature of the metro cities, you can say, the rates of the product between two grocery shops, or height of two children in your house. Your brother and sister will be there. See, one will be tall, one will be short. So you can compare the heights. So like this you can compare in a real life situations. So now we are coming to the subject. So comparing numbers. When you are comparing numbers, in two ways you can compare the numbers. How means? First thing, it is comparing with the same number of digits and comparing with the different number of digits. Let us compare with the same number of digits. Take this number 73,56,892. The other number is 56,89,247. Here, first what you will do, first you will check for the number of digits. The first number, it has 7 digits, and the second number also it has the 7 digits. So what you will do, when both the numbers are 7 digits, what you should do? First check for the first number. What is the first number here? 7. What is the first number on the other side? 5. So obviously you know 7 is greater than 5. So you will write it as 73,56,892 is greater than 56,89,247. Okay, do you understand, children? We will go on to the next sum. 39,85,698 is one number. 39,89,698 is the other number. Here, both the numbers have the same number of digits. How many digits are there? 7 digits each. So now you see the first number here is 3. The other side the number also is 3. So go to the second digit. It is 9 here and again it is 9. So 39 here, they are also 39. So what you should do? You should move on to the next digit. What it is here? 8. There also 8. So again the number is same. Now you move on to the next digit. Here it is 5. There it is 9. So you know 5 is less than 9. So what you will write? 39,85,698 is less than 39,89,698. Second one is different number of digits. Okay, read this number: 3,89,56,004. The other one is 29,784. So here, how many digits are there in the first number? 8. So how many digits are there in the other number? 7. So obviously the first number is greater than the second number. Okay, now we will go on to the next number. Read this number: 9,09,099. What is the other number? 9,90,99,090. So the first number, it has 6 digit and the other number it has got 8 digit. So which number is greater? The second number is greater. So what you will do? The first number is less than the second number. How do you say? 9,09,099 is less than 9,90,99,090. Okay, I hope you have understood comparing numbers. Next we will move on to ordering numbers. In ordering numbers, you have two ways. One is the ascending order, the other one is the descending order. So you would have already learnt in your lower classes, right? Ascending order means it is arranging the numbers from small to big, and descending order is arranging the numbers from big to small. Now we will see how to arrange numbers in ascending order. Look at the first sum here: 9,87,999, 5,27,358, 19,100, 5,27,868. To arrange in ascending order, we should arrange the numbers from big to small. So first we will check for the number of digits. The first number has 6 digit, the second number has 6 digit, the third number has 7 digit, the fourth number has 6 digit. We will keep the 7 digit number aside and compare the other 3 6 digit numbers. So when you compare, you will write the numbers in the following way. First number is 5,27,358. Second number is 5,27,868. Third number is 9,87,999. And the fourth number is 19,01,100. Next, we will see how to arrange numbers in descending order. Look at the sum here. 3,79,689, 36,55,000, 3,65,500, 3 crore 65 lakh 6,006. To arrange in descending order, we should arrange the numbers from big to small. First, we will check for the number of digits. The first number has 6 digits, the second number has 7 digits, the third number has 6 digits, the fourth number has 8 digits. Now we will arrange the numbers in descending order. First we write the 8-digit number, then the 7-digit number, then we have two 6-digit numbers. So when you compare the two 6-digit numbers, you find that 3,79,689 is greater than 3,65,500. So the third number is 3,79,689 and the fourth number is 3,65,500. This is how you arrange the numbers in ascending order and descending order. I hope you understand this topic. Children, I have given few sums as homework. Make a note and complete it before you come for the next class. Thank you, children.